Hey, Ashley from Deluxe here, just to run through some FAQs and tips when hiring out our slushy you might have. The short video that you were going to watch is how we assemble our slushy machine. As you can see in the video, I've greased the seals that go on the front and the back of the slushy machine. What this does is make a really good seal when we put on the auger and also put on the plastic tub that holds the liquid. When putting the auger on, you got to be mindful it only goes on one way. It's like a key lock system that you have to turn it around and obviously slide it on to where it needs to push onto. And once that's on, it fits tight up against the front of the machine. Now when putting the tub on, as you can see, I lifted the auger up a little bit to be able to slide it on. When it comes to fully fitting the tub, you'll see that I lifted the front of the auger up to push the auger into the front of the plastic tub. If that's not in correctly, the whole plastic tub won't slide on, and you won't get a really firm seal. Putting on the drip trays at the front, one of the biggest things that we have when we go to someone's house is setting it up, because once you set the slushy machine up, it is very hard to move it, as it weighs a lot. With the other tub, it's pretty much the same as the first tub when setting it up. As you can see on the second tub, trying to put the auger in the center of the plastic tub, it does sometimes take a little bit, but once you push it in and clip it down, that's kind of when you know it's all good to go. Once we've done that, we do a water test, which covers any leaks that it may have if the seals haven't been pushed on properly. As you can see, I've turned all the buttons down and up to make sure they're clipped in. When it comes to freezing the slushy, you want all your buttons to be positioned up. When it comes to testing it, which is a big problem we tend to have, sometimes the switches get jammed and they don't fully operate. Sometimes the kids or the adults might play with the buttons and it's not fully engaging, so we do a freeze test, and what that does is we put the 500 mils of water in there and we hit freeze. Now by doing that, it shows the customer also us that the machine's working correctly. And yeah, when fitting the lights, there is a small plug at the back of the machine that the two lights go into, and then they obviously sit on top. A lot of people like to put alcohol in them, which is no problem at all. You just have to be mindful and understand that with our slushy machines, it's 2 litres of syrup, 8 litres of water. If you want to add alcohol, you need to take the water content out. So it'd be 2 litres of syrup, 1 litre of vodka, 7 litres of water. And then you should be right to go. Hopefully this video has helped. If there's obviously any problems, don't be afraid to call.